Most people think inflation is this complicated monster that only economists understand. The truth is way simpler. Let's go back to where it all started, because the past explains exactly why your groceries cost more today. A long time ago, people didn't use paper money. They used metal coins. And that made sense, because those coins actually contained something valuable. A gold coin literally had gold in it. A silver coin? Same thing. If a coin said it was worth $1, it held $1's worth of metal. Pretty straightforward. Then governments ran into a problem. They wanted to spend more money, but they didn't actually have more gold or silver. So instead of finding more metal, they found a shortcut. They took the existing coins, shaved tiny pieces off the edges, melted those shavings with cheaper metals, and created new coins from the mix. Same amount of gold, more coins. In other words, they figured out how to make money out of the money they already had. You can probably see the issue. If each coin contains less gold than before, the coin itself becomes worth less. But governments didn't announce that. They just pumped more of these lighter coins into the economy. People eventually noticed something felt off. Coins looked the same, but they didn't buy the same. A coin that used to buy a basket of goods suddenly only bought half. Everyone blamed prices going up, but that wasn't really the core problem. The real problem was that the government quietly watered down the money. Less gold in the coin means each coin buys less. So you need more coins to buy the same stuff. That's inflation in its purest form. And here's the part that hits home today. Governments don't shave coins anymore. They print new money digitally. But the effect is the same. When new money is created faster than real value, the money already in your pocket loses buying power. Your savings shrink. Your paycheck doesn't stretch as far. And suddenly life feels more expensive, even if nothing about you changed. Inflation isn't about prices rising because businesses get greedy. It's about money losing strength because more of it gets created behind the scenes. Once you understand that, everything clicks. Your rent, groceries, gas, insurance, none of them randomly got expensive. The money used to buy them simply weakened. So the next time someone tells you inflation is too complicated to explain, tell them this. If you water down the money supply, everyone's money buys less. That's inflation. And it's been happening since ancient Rome. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, simple explanations that actually make sense, hit subscribe so you never miss the next one.